President of the International Council for Day of Vesak and the International Association of Buddhist Universities, His Excellency Pakorn Nil Pakpan, Deputy Prime Minister of Thailand, Excellencies and distinguished participants. It is my pleasure to participate in the commemoration of the 21st United Nations Day of Vesak. Today, we honor the birth, enlightenment, and passing of Lord Buddha, whose teachings have served as a guiding light for humanity across millennia. This occasion provides a vital space to reflect on how universal ethical principles can help us navigate the complex challenges facing our global community. Our focus today is on Buddhist wisdom in promoting global sustainable development and building a shared future for humanity. At this moment, the global community is navigating a dense web of overlapping crises, escalating climate disruption, widening economic disparities, geopolitical fragmentation, and the erosion of social cohesion. These structural imbalances are placing the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, or SDGs, further out of reach. In searching for a path forward, it is increasingly clear that technical and financial tools alone are not enough. We need a fundamental shift in how we approach development and human solidarity. True sustainable development requires a profound recognition of our global interdependence. In an interconnected world, no economy or nation or community can thrive in isolation. The climate impacts felt by one country reverberate across borders, just as economic instability in one region affects livelihoods globally. When we internalize this truth, our approach to the Sustainable Development Goals evolves from an isolated checklist of targets into a shared collective responsibility. We cannot achieve a sustainable future for ourselves without securing it for the entire human family and the ecosystems that sustain us. Building a shared future for humanity also demands that we shift away from mere competition and towards active structural compassion. Applied to global policy making and sustainable development, these values require us to constrain or to construct economic and social systems that prioritize the marginalized, the vulnerable, and those left furthest behind. Human progress cannot be measured solely by GDP growth or technological breakthroughs. It must be measured by how effectively we protect human dignity, reduce inequality, and foster a more equitable distribution of opportunities. Here at the United Nations Economic and Social Commission for Asia and Pacific, or ESCAP, we witness the tangible outcomes of this collaborative mindset. At our recent Commission session, last April this year, Member States translated the spirit of unity into concrete action by adopting key resolutions to accelerate regional climate measures, strengthen digital cooperation, and enhance social protection. These resolutions and agreements demonstrate that even in an increasingly fragmented world, consensus and shared progress remain possible when development frameworks are anchored in mutual respect and solidarity. Moving forward, we remain fully committed to working alongside Member States, civil society, and all of our partners. We stand ready to serve as a platform for universal values, inspiring multilateral cooperation and building more resilient communities. As we look to the future, let us carry the torch of Buddhist wisdom and the spirit of shared responsibility into our daily work, choosing collaboration over division and long-term sustainability over short-term gain. Together, let us cultivate a path toward an inclusive, resilient world where peace, prosperity, and dignity are guaranteed for every member of our human family. Thank you very much.